children. Welcome to English language class. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Have you written the homework given the last class? What was it? I told you try to do the book exercise and definition, chapter 1 definition also you have to write. I am sure you have done. Keep it your good work. Today we shall do the work now. Chapter 2 English language, chapter 2 sentences. Now I am going to teach English language, chapter 2 sentences. Okay, are you ready? Okay, all of you take your English language copy. All of you take your English language copy. Then write down chapter 2 sentences. All of you take your English language copy. Chapter 2 sentences. Write down the heading. Answer the following questions. First, write down the heading. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. What is a sentence? What is a sentence? Answer is a group of words which makes complete sense is called a sentence. Okay, I repeat. What is a sentence? Answer is a group of words which makes complete sense is called a sentence. Okay, example. A tricycle has 3 wheels. Example first. A tricycle has 3 wheels. Then 2. Have you seen an elephant? Second, have you seen an elephant? It is the example for sentences. Okay, all of you take your language copy and write down this one. Okay. Okay, then all of you take your English language book. Page number 8. All of you take your English language book, page number 8, chapter 2, sentences. Okay, chapter 2, sentences. See, what is sentence? A group of words which makes complete sense is called a sentence. I repeat. A group of words which makes complete sense is called a sentence. Okay, then see. A sentence must have a verb. Then a sentence begins with a capital letter. A sentence ends with an end mark. A sentence begins with a capital letter. A sentence ends with an end mark. Sentence begins with a capital letter. Then end with full stop. Then see, the full stop and the question mark are two end marks we commonly use. A sentence means a group of words which makes complete sense is called sentences. Then a sentence begins with a capital letter and end with a full stop. Then the full stop and question mark are two end marks we commonly use. Sometimes we are using question mark and sometimes we are using full stop. When we are asking question, we put a question mark. The sentence is complete, you end with a full stop. Okay, then when we are writing the sentence, we should start a capital letter. A sentence begins with a capital letter. Then end with full stop and otherwise question mark also. Understand? Then see the exercise. Change the first letter to the capital letter and a full stop or a question mark and the end of each sentences. To the first exercise. Change the first letter to a capital letter. Add the full stop or a question mark at the end of each sentences. See, change the sentence. Question, we need question mark, you put question mark. We need full stop, we put full stop also. See, a man has a pet parakeet. A sentence start with a capital letter. A man has a pet parakeet. Full stop. It is complete sentence. Start with the capital letter, end with the full stop. Okay. Then second, a tricycle has 3 wheels. A, start with the capital letter, end with the full stop. A tricycle has 3 wheels. Put the full stop. Start with the capital letter. Then 3, have you seen an elephant? H is capital letter. Then have you seen an elephant? They are asking the question. That's why we put a question mark. Have you seen an elephant? They are asking the question. Because so we put a question mark. Have H capital letter, starting with the capital letter, end with the question mark. Because they are asking the question. That's why we are putting question mark. Understand? Okay. 4. Simba is a lion cube. Sim. Yes. End with the full stop. Okay. Then 5. Will you play with me? It is question mark. Will you asking. W is the capital letter, end with the full stop. Because they are asking question. So we are putting question mark. Understand? Will you play with me? Okay. I hope all are understood. Then shall I move next exercise? See. B. What are the children saying? Rearrange the words to make sentences. Then next exercise B. What are the children saying? Rearrange the words to make sentences. See. Have I a bus? Rearrange the sentence. I have a bus. I have a bus. Okay. Then rearrange the sentence only. Okay. Then a ball have I. How will you write? I have a ball. Then a top I have. Answer is I have a top. Then a bat I have. The answer is I have a bat. Rearrange the sentence. A bat I have. How will you write? I have a bat. The answer is I have a bat. Let's play come. Answer is come let us play. Come let us play. Okay. Then see. Rewrite the paragraph. Begin the sentences with capital letters and end with the full stop. Okay. There is a 6 sentences. See, rewrite the paragraph. Begin the sentences with the capital letters and end with the full stop. There are 6 sentences. We have to make sentences. Then we have to make a sentence and put the full stop also. Then see, how will we make it? It is Sunday. Mummy takes Nita and Farah to the lake. There are ducks in the lake. They feed the ducks. They float paper boats. Nita and Farah enjoy the day. Okay, can I read once more? It is Sunday. Full stop. It is Sunday. Mummy takes Nita and Farah to the lake. Okay, then full stop. Start with the capital letter. There are ducks in the lake. They feed the ducks. They float paper boats. neither and for enjoy the day. Okay. Then next, subject predicate. What is subject? That what is predicate. Listen. Every sentence can be divided into two parts. The subject and the predicate. The subject names who or what the sentence is about. The predicate tell us what action the subject does. See, every sentence can be divided into two parts. One is subject and another one is predicate. Subject means the subject names who or what the sentence is about. Then the predicate means the predicate tell us what action the subject does. Understand? Subject means names who or what the sentence about. Then predicate means what action the subject does. Okay. Then see. The example. The magician performed many tricks. The magician is the subject. Performed many tricks is the predicate. Understand? Okay, the subject names who or what the sentence is about. Predicate means what action subject does. Okay, example, the magician performed many tricks. The magician is the subject. Performed many tricks is the predicate. Okay. Then see the exercise. Circle the subject and underline the predicates. First one, Rajan is sitting under a tree. Circle the subject. Circle Rajan. Under the tree is the predicate. Okay. Then 2. The sky is blue. Sky is the subject and underline the predicate. Predicate means is blue. Then 3rd. The clouds are big and white. The clouds is the subject and big and white is the predicate. Then an aeroplane is flying on the day. Flying in the sky. An aeroplane is subject. Flying, underline the predicate is A. Predicate. Underline is flying in the sky is predicate. Then the grass is soft and green. The grass is circle and soft and green is the predicate. Okay. Then next exercise. Choose subjects from the box to complete the sentences. New Delhi, butter, many animals, a tortoise, January. Fill in the blanks with the sentence. First one. Butter is made from curd. Answer is butter. Then a tortoise carries its shell on its back. A tortoise is the answer. 3. New Delhi is the capital of India. New Delhi. Then 4. January is the first month of the year. Answer is January. Then 5. Many animals live in the jungle. Answer is many animals. Okay. Then the last exercise for this lesson. Match the subject to the predicate. See. First one. Our teacher is smart. Then a rainbow has 7 colors. Match, otherwise you put the number inside. Okay. Match this line and otherwise you put the number in the side. Okay. Then the house 3 has red roof. Birds fly in the sky. A horse means has a mind. Okay. First one, our teacher is smart. A rainbow. Second, rainbow has 7 colors. The house has a red roof. Birds flying in the sky. A horse has a mind. Okay. Then listen. All of you take your English language copy first. Then write down the definition and the example. And book exercise. What I taught today, you have to write full exercise. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day.